There are already people who are doing the best 10 things in Paris, and AI is going to take all of that information-based content and dominate that. But AI will never tell your specific story. So I'm Austin Beeman. I run the Understanding Wine with Austin Beeman video podcast.
Can you tell us about the podcast?
Yes, so I've been 25 years as a professional in the wine business, and I was meeting all sorts of cool winemakers from all over the world. And I decided to be really fun to record them, having them talk in depth about the wines they make and their views on wine and food and culture. And then it expanded into me visiting wineries around the world and doing the same thing.
Nice. And where do you live?
I'm based out of Toledo, Ohio.
Where's your favorite wine state at this point in the U.S.?
Probably is going to be Oregon. I think that they're making really exquisite wines, but they're also doing things right, such as they have more European style regulations. So there's way less wine shenanigans in Oregon than there is in really any other state, especially California.
What have you gotten out of this conference so far?
Well, I always love TBEX. There are so many people here who are doing really amazing things. And I mean, at least half the people here are full-time professional bloggers who have been doing this a very long time. And then I'm always meeting brand new people. It's their first TBEX. So the opportunity to have your mind opened and be like, this is what is possible. Here's what real people are doing in this industry. It's not the kind of thing that you would have when you're graduating. Say, you can actually be a vlogger. You can make a living at this. You can actually make a really good living at this. So it just is a kind of an eye-opening conference.
What advice would you give to somebody just starting out as a content creator?
Oh man, somebody just starting out as a content creator, I would say the most important thing right now is that you are making it about you and your stories. There are already people who are doing the best 10 things in Paris, and AI is going to take all of that information-based content and dominate that. But AI will never tell your specific story. Think about Anthony Bourdain. We didn't watch Anthony Bourdain because he was going to this specific place. We watched it because he was the one going to that place. So make it about you and your experience in the place that you're going to.
I love it.